3 superfoods that will quickly improve your health. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore amazing foods and their surprising benefits for your health. Let me ask you something. Have you ever stopped to think about the power certain foods have to transform your life? Today we're going to talk about 3 superfoods that can quickly and effectively improve your health. And the best part? They're easy to include in your daily routine. Stick with us until the end, because these tips could make a huge difference in your well-being. Let's start by talking about avocado. Do you enjoy avocado? Maybe on a slice of toast for breakfast or in a delicious guacamole? But what you might not know is just how powerful this fruit really is. Avocado is packed with healthy fats, especially oleic acid, the same type of fat found in olive oil, which is well known for its heart health benefits. These fats help lower bad cholesterol while raising the good kind, protecting your cardiovascular system. Now imagine having more energy throughout the day without those sugar highs and crashes that leave you feeling drained. That's exactly what avocado can do. As a low glycemic food, it helps stabilize your blood sugar levels. Plus, it's an excellent source of fiber, improving digestion and helping you control your appetite. And there's more. Did you know that avocado contains more potassium than a banana? Potassium is essential for maintaining your body's electrolyte balance, which can prevent muscle cramps and even help regulate blood pressure. And if you're thinking about eye care, avocado is a superstar there too. It's rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your vision in the long term. Now tell me, have you ever thought about all these advantages when eating an avocado? Maybe now you'll think twice before passing it up at the grocery store. And the best part is that it's incredibly versatile. You can use it on toast, in smoothies, salads, or even as a creamy base for healthy desserts. Here's a trick. To keep it from browning, just add a little lemon juice. Give it a try and see the difference in your health and energy levels. If you're enjoying these tips and want to learn more about powerful foods, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We're just getting started and the next superfood will surprise you. Now let's talk about green tea, a true superfood that offers incredible benefits for your body and mind. Have you ever thought about the power of a simple cup of tea? Green tea is widely recognized for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help fight free radicals in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. This tea contains a powerful substance called catechins, which help protect the body's cells from premature aging and also act on reducing body fat. One of the greatest benefits of green tea is its ability to speed up metabolism, promoting more efficient fat burning. This can be a great ally for anyone looking for healthy weight loss, especially in the abdominal area, which is one of the hardest areas to treat. But green tea is not just beneficial for those wanting to lose weight. It also has positive effects on the brain, thanks to the presence of L-theanine, an amino acid that, combined with the caffeine in the tea, helps increase focus and concentration. This combination provides a smooth energy boost without causing the jitters or anxiety that other types of caffeine, like coffee, can trigger. And if you think green tea is only good for fat burning and boosting focus, you're wrong. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health, helping to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Green tea can also help regulate blood glucose levels and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes, offering extra protection for those looking to prevent chronic diseases. It's easy to incorporate green tea into your routine. You can enjoy a cup in the morning or even use green tea as a base for refreshing drinks and smoothies. Have you tried it? How do you like to prepare your green tea? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment. And if there's any other food or topic you'd like to see here, feel free to share your ideas in the comments. We're always ready to bring content that answers your health and nutrition questions. Now let's talk about a delicious tropical fruit packed with benefits. Pineapple. Did you know that pineapple is a true source of health? This fruit is an excellent choice for improving digestion, boosting the immune system, and even aiding weight loss. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that helps break down proteins. It also helps reduce abdominal bloating, making you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. But that's not all. Pineapple is also a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is crucial for strengthening the immune system. This powerful antioxidant helps protect the body against infections, accelerates wound healing, and even contributes to skin health by fighting damage caused by free radicals. In addition to being great for digestion and the immune system, pineapple also has properties that aid in weight loss. Bromelain speeds up metabolism and can be helpful for those looking to reduce body fat. Consuming pineapple regularly can help control appetite while providing natural energy without turning to less healthy options. And there's more. Pineapple is highly hydrating as it's made up of a large amount of water, helping to hydrate the skin and support the proper functioning of organs. Staying hydrated is essential for overall body health, and pineapple is a delicious way to... Now tell me, do you include pineapple in your diet? How do you like to consume it? Have you tried preparing it in juices, salads, or even in savory dishes? I'm curious to know your favorite combinations. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a like, and share it with your friends who can also benefit from these superfoods. Turn on the bell to receive all updates and leave suggestions in the comments about topics or foods you'd like to see here. Also, be sure to check out the product links in the description to enhance your results. I'm looking forward to your suggestions and see you in the next video.